A viral video featuring actor Wang Qing and actress Lucy dancing together has been making rounds on the internet. The mesmerizing performance showcased their graceful and enthusiastic dance moves, capturing the hearts of the audience with their undeniable chemistry. Wang Qing's smooth and polished dance style perfectly complemented Lucy's elegant and charming presence, resulting in a captivating display of talent. Fans have been showering the duo with praise for their impressive dancing skills and charisma. The video has sparked excitement among viewers, who can't seem to get enough of the dynamic duo's electrifying dance routine.